Hey, Brian from Brian from Hall. Today I have a rubber beach bag. I guess it's like a silicone rubber. Let's open this up. And one thing I like about it already is it keeps its shape. So if you have a lot of gear, a lot of small stuff that you need to put in a container to bring to the beach, this is absolutely the perfect thing because large compartment, and I think I have my tape measure. Stay tuned. Oh, there it is. So I'll give you an idea. So that is about 20 inches across. And then wide, you're looking at, so it's about 9 inches wide. And then deep, it's like 13 inches deep. So, I mean, that is a very large area. So let's take these handles out. Comes with two handles. And it has these little socket things. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so this goes in here. I think, right? I guess you gotta push a little bit to pop them in place. And then you have your little, and I keep dropping. It's like your little plastic. So that's twice I dropped that. For those of you keep track at home. So, or you know what? There's that go on the outside. And the handle goes on the inside. Yeah, I think that's how it's supposed to go. Handle goes on the inside. Then you have your little socket piece goes on the outside. I guess you could probably put it any way you wanted to. Outside or inside. I just think that probably a smoother fit that way. That might get in your way, but okay. So that's your handle on that side. Let's remove this tag from this side. Oops. Let's cut that string off. And we'll push this one through on this side. Tighten that down. Make sure we got that the right way. I'll put this handle in on this side. So I guess you can probably have them inside or outside. The more I'm thinking about it, let's see how it looks on the outside. A couple different positions. So let's push that in. Yeah, I guess it works just as well on the outside as it does on the inside. So we'll just keep it like this. One handle one way, one handle the other way. Entirely up to your preference, but that might be a little more aesthetically pleasing than sticking out like that. So let's turn it around on this side. But again, whatever you want to do. But this thing is big, it keeps its shape, which I think is the biggest thing. So you're starting to look for stuff, you're on a beach, you're digging through, you have sand everywhere. This is going to be great. It's got a lot of nice air vents on the side to let air in, keep everything nice and dry if the stuff gets wet. Also a great way to get sand out of your bag. Let's put this so I think I like them a lot better on the inside. Just got to, I guess, push a little bit harder to get the threads through. Get that going. If I turn it down here, I can get a better angle, tighten that a little bit better. So yeah, so that is your cool beach bag. And I said, that thing is big. It has like all sorts of room. And it comes with an extra little socket, a little extra carrying bag, and you're good to go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the beach. Be safe out there.